The bad news is, ibig sabihin, pag nagsimula na silang magbayaran, yung mga institutions, these institutions can use the money to position in crypto again. Most especially from a regulatory clarity, medyo maganda-ganda po ang regulation, no? So pwede natin tingnan ito in two ways. Pwedeng panabla ito ng market on the sell in May or can go away, and pwede nilang panablayan from a market standpoint na kumaga tanggalin yung sell in May and go away. This is obviously a lukewarm news, a good and a bad, pero eventually yung payment ng May 30th onwards can become a good news to create liquidity in the market. Okay, so $11.4 billion in cash ang babayad po nila. The bad news is, kapag ito naman ay ibinayad through crypto, let's say meron silang ibinayad na Solana or XRP, in return, therefore those na babayaran can sell it off and further crashing the price of the coin, mga kamiranda. Okay? So mas maganda na ikaw ay trader kasi you can earn in both uptrend or a downtrend as long as alam mo yung SNR on this particular news.